Okay, so if you happen to get stuck in the Guided Access app and unable to come out of it despite triple clicking on the power button, these are the simple steps you can follow to reboot your phone and come out of the Guided Access issue. So all you have to do is first click on the volume up button, then immediately after that press the volume down button, and immediately after that press the power button and keep pressing it, don't release it. You will see an Apple logo when it restarts, so it can take a good 10 to 15 seconds. So, but keep holding on to it. I see the Apple logo now. Just to be safe, I'll still keep holding on to it. Okay, I see it again. And then let me release it. And let us see how long it takes to reboot. But this is the best fix available for this particular issue. So my phone has rebooted. So this entire process took around 20 to 30 seconds. And I see that online there are a lot of people who have reported this issue. Me being a regular iPhone user for years, this is the first time I have faced issue with guided access being stuck. So it looks like a very rare issue, but in case you run into this, follow these simple steps to come out of this particular issue. Thank you.